Respect comes from self-respect. If you respect yourself, people will respect you. Powerful people are like eagles, they always fly alone. Difficult roads lead to beautiful destinations. Never argue with a liar. You can't win because they believe their own lies. The biggest mistake we make in life is thinking we have time. If you want to fly with eagles, don't swim with the ducks. No one is your enemy. No one is your friend. Everyone is your teacher. The heart and mind of a person who helps others are always satisfied and calm. We can't change the past, but we can start a new chapter with a happy ending. One bad chapter doesn't mean the story is over. Always stay positive. Every positive thought is a silent prayer that will change your life. Each of us there is another whom we do not know. Some people just pretend to help you. If someone talks bad about you, it means he is insecure or jealous. You are responsible for your happiness. Never waste a minute of your life thinking about people you don't like. All people are the same, only their habits differ. Smart people know when to act stupid, and honest people know when to lie. Never follow anyone because no one will tell you a story in which he himself is a traitor. Be careful what you tell people. A friend today could be an enemy tomorrow. Never feel guilty for starting again. Some people just pretend to help you. Behind every strong person is a story that gave them no choice. The more I learned about things, I realized how wrong I was before. Rule of life is very simple: hunt or get hunted. People remember your mistakes, not your sacrifices. Bury the past, but keep the lessons. Never announce your moves before you make them. Arguing with a fool only proves that there are two. A positive mind finds opportunity in everything. If nobody helps you, do it alone. Focus on improving, not proving. Kindness makes you the most beautiful person in the world, no matter what you look like. If you are not doing what you love, you are wasting not only your time but also your life. It's going to be hard, but hard is not impossible. Every master was once a beginner. Control your anger because it's just one letter away from danger. The most valuable gift you can receive is an honest friend. Learn to say no without explaining yourself. Happiness tip: stop expecting from others. 90% of our problems are caused by our own thoughts. Smart people know when to act stupid. A good laugh and a long sleep are the two best cures for anything. The things that hurt you actually teach you. If you don't know the whole story, then don't open your mouth. The best revenge is not to be like your enemy. Mistakes are proof that you're trying. Life becomes so much better when you stop expecting anything from others. Some people want to see you fail. Disappoint them. We are shaped by our thoughts. We become what we think. We are shaped by our thoughts. We become what we think. You become what you believe. Don't be afraid to fail. Be afraid not to try. Stop doubting yourself. Work hard and make it happen. Standing alone is better than standing with people who don't value you. When the character of a man is not clear to you, look at his friends. If you want to test a woman's character, notice only two things: her honesty when no one is watching, and her loyalty when everything goes wrong. No one can make you upset. You choose to be. It is extremely difficult to defeat a person who knows the art of patience. You can cheat an honest man but not make a fool out of him.